help you?
I just got a call like there's some fraudulent activity against my social insurance number. I want to know what is it.
Okay, I'll be tell you each and everything, mister. Firstly, can you give me your first and last name? So let me try to pull up your file and see why the call was made out to you.
Bikram Singh, should I spell it out for you?
Oh, sure.
Okay. B as in ball, I as in important, K as in kite, R as in Russia, A as in America, and M as in mango. Then Singh, last name, S as in Sam, I as in ink, N as in Nancy, G as in gun, H as in Henry.
All right, mister, just hold for a moment. Let me give you the details regarding to you.
Okay.
Okay, mister, I just tried to pull up your file, and as I can see, there is the sixth file under this name. So just to pull up the right person file in front of me, can you provide me your home address?
Home address.
Yeah.
Okay, it's 30 Denton Avenue, Scarborough, Ontario.
Okay. And what's your postal code?
M1L4P2. Should I spell it out?
Okay. No, M like Mike 1, L like a Lima 4, P like a Peter 2, right?
Yes.
Okay, just hold for a moment. Okay, mister. So I just got your file in front of me, and as I can see, there are the several alleged charges under your name, and there is the arrest warrant issued under your name as well. So are you aware about it?
No, not at all.
All right, mister. So do you want me to read out the complete information to you about the allegations from which you can come to know everything about the case?
Yeah, sure.
All right, mister. So do one thing. Do you have a pen and piece of paper with you right now?
Yes, I have. I'm online. You can tell me.
Okay. So do one thing. Just write down my name and my service number so that you can come to know whom you are talking to right now.
Okay, yeah, please tell me.
Okay. So just write down my name. That is Officer Ricky
Ricky Ricky
Collins.
Collins COLLINS.
That's correct.
Ricky Collins. Okay.
And just write down my service number. That is 407
407
T like a Tom
407T. Yes.
7011.
407T 7011.
That's correct, mister. All right, mister.
Okay.
Now, before we go further, I would like to notify you that these lines are recorded and monitored by the 4 federal agency, the Count 1 Department of Justice Canada, Count 2 Canada Revenue Agency, Count 3 the Financial Crime Unit, and Count 4 the Bureau of Narcotics. So please make sure you are the specify and honest whatever you speak over this recorded call or any statement going against the respect of Service Canada or any federal department would be lead this conversation to be an end, and you'll be arrested in next 45 minutes. And one last thing, do not interrupt me while I'm reading out the information about your case. I'll be given the fair enough chance to speak once I am done. Okay?
Okay.
All right, mister. Now, before I go ahead and give out to you all the information, all the legal information to you, I need to be verified that I'm giving all the legal information to be a correct person, and I'm doing the right person verification. Okay? So, can you provide me the last 3 digits of your social insurance number?
Only last 3 digits, right?
That's correct.
Okay, then just wait a second. I need to pull it out.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. Last 3 digits. Okay. Yeah, I got the last 3 digits.
All right.
271.
Okay, just hold for a moment, mister. Let me verify it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just trying to verify it and it's showing the invalid again and again. Can you provide me your date of birth?
Date of birth. Okay, 25 October 1987.
It's also showing the invalid. Your date of birth is 25 October 1987. That's correct, right?
Yes.
All right. It's again showing invalid. Okay. All right, mister. So, as per the investigation report under your social insurance number, there are the 7 allegations found under your name, and your social insurance number was misused in the Montreal City. The Service Canada and the law enforcement agency have found the 5 banking accounts open and used for using your social insurance number to be committed a fraud for more than $1 million. And these 5 banking accounts connected with the Royal Bank of Canada, TD Bank, Bank of Nova Scotia, Bank of Montreal, and the EQ Bank. So, are you dealing with this 5 banking account right now?
No, I just have one account with RBC.
Okay, you have only one bank account with the RBC, right?
Correct.
That's correct, Mr. So, as per this case file, these accounts were used to transfer and receive the fund for illegal local and international bank, while the transfer induced the numerous criminal activity. And that is the reason we have put your name and social insurance number in the suspicious thing, even though we are sending the voicemail at your phone that we found something suspicious thing. Did you got that voicemail?
No, I did not get any voicemail. I check my phone every day.
All right, mister. So, as per this case file, there are the 2 charges against you. First is the money laundering and second is the drug trafficking. Why the money laundering? Because there is the more than 1 million transaction under your name, and all these transactions made to narco trafficking cities like Mexico and Colombia. So, are you have any connection in Mexico and Colombia?
No, sir.
All right. And you did any kind of money transaction over there?
No, when I have no connection, why would I do money transaction?
All right, mister. Now, let me tell you one thing. It might be possible that someone else got the access to your personal...
सुन क्यों करता है यार ये सब? क्यों लोगों को बेवकूफ बनाते हो भाई? क्यों करते हो? रहना